Hello everybody, we just programmed a new key to a 2019 Ford Escape. This is where we put the key, right there under the radio console. Just lay it right there to program it. As you can see, current number of keys is 3. We had 2 before. And we're going to test it out. Buttons work. Foot on the brake and start the car. So also, just so you know, you lay the key in there in case your battery dies in the fob. And when you try to start the car, it'll say no key detected. Simply lay it in there. It'll read the chip manually and let you start the car. Thanks for watching, guys. 2019 Ford Escape.